Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I would like to summarize my findings about this quadcopter. Actually this is a completely different quadcopter than it was at the beginning, because at the beginning this was Martian Rooster with completely different motors, different ESCs and other electronics, but I had terrible vibrations in FPV feed and also in HD feed, and I tested different propellers, I tested different PIDs, and nothing really helped me. So I ended up with using my old Martian 2 with 6-inch arms and different ESCs. These are T2s 35 amp ESCs. The flight controller is Matek F405 AIO, and I had it first as a 5-inch quad, and now this week I received 6-inch arms, so I reworked it and I tested all the electronics from the Rooster on this frame, and I had the same results as on the Rooster. So I decided, okay, I will test with the old electronics and old motors. Actually they are not that old, like 2 months maybe, and the result is excellent. It flies really well, and the problem that I had must be somewhere in the flight controller or ESCs, because I believe that the F43 motors from T-motor are not the suspect here, and it's it's funny how it ended. I was a bit disappointed by the flight performance of the Rooster, and kind of disliked it, and I returned it to the seller, who is a snail.fpv. Check his channel. He is a really nice guy, flies well, and he might help you if you need to ask any questions about Rooster or Martian Chameleon. So now I have one spare set of electronics that I will have to replace, where I want to replace the ESCs and the flight controller. So now I'm thinking about KISS, maybe race flight, I don't know yet, and I will have to check if I will choose Rooster again, or if I will go with some other frame, because I kind of wanted to buy these premium frames so that I can let's say support the guys who try to innovate, to bring new products for us flyers, and that's it. Yeah, so I hope this might help you to identify issues, and don't give up so early as I did on some frames. it might not be fault of the frame. So keep flying well, and see you next time.